Hey guys, Andrew McFarlane here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you're feeling amazing, happy, healthy. And today we're asking the question, do you need a nutrition certificate or other kinds of certificate in order to run a juice bar business? This is a question I get a lot, so we're going to dive into this. But before we do, if you guys are new to the channel, you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, for over the last 10 years, myself and my agency has had the pleasure of helping people like yourself launch, scale, and grow juice bar businesses, smoothie bars, acai bowl concepts, and all manner of healthy food service concepts, as well as running our own businesses. So all the information you're getting on this channel is coming from experience. If you guys aren't new to the channel and you've been liking the content, here is an invitation to hit the like button. This will expose the content to more people, so that way we can make the world a healthier place by empowering entrepreneurs like yourself. So diving into today's topic of conversation, I get this question a lot, so I wanted to make a video about it so we can put this topic to rest. As many of you out there might be in a place where you're thinking about starting a juice bar business, but you might be saying, you know what, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a health coach. What do I know? Do I have enough credentials for people to respect me and my business? And plain and simple, the answer is no. You do not need to be a nutritionist. You do not need to be a health coach. You don't need to be a doctor, a dietitian, a trainer. You don't need any of that. And I'm going to dive more deeply into this as well, because when people ask this question, I think that there's a misconception and a misunderstanding of really what the critical skills are that you need to be a juice bar or smoothie bar or healthy cafe owner. It is actually much more important that you learn about business than it is that you even learn about health. Now, having knowledge around health is important and it's helpful, and there's a lot of information out there on the internet. You'll notice with this channel, we really don't talk a lot about the benefits of juicing, the benefits of cleansing, the benefits of drinking smoothies, because all that information is out there and it's great. And for me, myself, part of my journey is I was very much into fasting, drinking juice, smoothies, and then I felt like I wanted to start a juice bar business. And what I can tell you from experience is the skills that I've gained as an entrepreneur were way more applicable to this business than all the things I learned about health. So you can almost split these things into two different areas and say that really there's the entrepreneur and then there's the nutritionist, there's the health portion of the business. Both of them are important, but actually learning how to be an entrepreneur is more important, because if you're a great entrepreneur, you will find the people who know more than you do, who are authorities on health, and you will leverage their skill sets and their experience to educate your staff, to educate your customer base, right? Being an entrepreneur is all about understanding what you need and being very resourceful to accomplish your goals. And so all that time that you might spend getting your health coaching degree or your nutrition degree or whatever that is, I would encourage you to actually invest that energy in learning how to be an entrepreneur, learning how to run a business. Because a lot of times, someone who is an entrepreneur will do much better in the world of starting a juice bar business than someone who is a health coach or a nutritionist. A lot of times I see and I meet with health coaches, nutritionists, doctors, and they struggle in their businesses, whether they have a private practice or otherwise, because they didn't realize all the things they need to know about managing staff and marketing and delegating and managing finances, and the list goes on and on and on as far as essential skill sets of entrepreneurialism go. So just to finalize, no, don't waste your time and energy going to research all the things in the world, because there's infinite amount of knowledge around the health benefits. And if you're at a place where you're inspired enough to see what juices and smoothies and eating healthy can do, that's enough, right? You can always learn and you will always learn more. And it's important, just based on your innate human interest, you will explore those things. But those are things that most people know. A lot of people don't know how to run businesses. So put your attention and time towards learning how to run your business effectively. Watching a channel like this is really, really great. If you need one-on-one support, you want us to develop your business, we have a full-scale agency. We can help you with everything from A to Z. Reach out to me personally at andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com if you want to explore that. But as always, I hope this content has been helpful. If you like the video, press the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you definitely want to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you can get an alert anytime we release new content. If you're not following us on Instagram, you want to do that at StartAJuiceBar. We also have a podcast on iTunes. podcast on Spotify. And if you haven't commented below, if you have any questions, you can put it there. And you can also just tell us that you like the content. Always appreciate hearing that. And until next time, this is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. I'll see you guys at the next video. I hope you guys have been enjoying all of the content. If you're in a place where you are really inspired to start your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what the next steps are, for you, we've created a free ebook, The 15 Steps to Starting Your Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you an overview of everything that you need to do from just having a concept all the way to launching your business. Beyond that, if you're inspired to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint, that is going to go into great detail into every single area of launching a successful juice business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you'll find a lot of value out of them. As always, wishing you guys a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.